On January 17th, something happened for the first time in history. Donald Trump, the newly elected president of the United States, became the first world leader to launch a meme coin. He launched Trump Coin, a token bearing his name and built on the Solana blockchain, designed to capture the attention of both crypto investors and his political supporters. The launch, just 3 days before his inauguration, caused an immediate media frenzy. And this was amplified by Trump's post on his X account, where he pushed the new meme coin to his 100 million followers. The result? Trump Coin skyrocketed from $3 to $74 in just 2 days. That's a massive 2,500% return, making Donald Trump much wealthier in the process. But then, on January 19th, Melania Trump, the First Lady, launched her own meme token, Melania. And just like that, the rally for Trump Coin peaked. Some analysts, like the ones from major asset manager Bernstein, are calling Trump Coin a paradigm shift in US crypto. Some price estimates, such as the one from Coin Edition, going as high as $800, which would be a 2,700% increase in price. Others believe this is all a big hoax. To understand whether Trump and Melania coins can recover from their recent crash, we need to look at how other meme coins have performed in the past. Meme coins are notoriously volatile and can bring about lots of pain to investors. They skyrocket, then crash, most of them never recovering, but some do eventually rise again. Take Pepe, for example. Launched in April of 2023 on the Ethereum blockchain, this meme coin was inspired by the iconic Pepe the Frog meme and started with a market cap of under $100,000. Remarkably, just 21 days later, by May 5th, its market cap skyrocketed to $1.6 billion, a staggering 1.6 million% rise. But it didn't last. Over the next few months, Pepe crashed by 80%. Many assumed the hype was over, but then, in February 2024, it surprised everyone by hitting new all-time highs. By December 2024, its market cap reached $11 billion, an additional 700% increase from its previous peak. Pepe isn't alone. Bonk, a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, the same one hosting Trump and Melania coins, followed a similar path. After its launch in December 2020, Bonk surged by 2,300% in just 5 days. Then, it fell into a 10-month drawdown, losing 95% of its value. Many wrote it off as another failed meme coin. But to everyone's surprise, it not only recovered, but exceeded its previous high by over 1,500% within the next year. It's not uncommon for meme coins to skyrocket, crash, and then rise again. This pattern has repeated itself time and time again, not just with Pepe and Bonk, but with other meme coins as well. So if Pepe and Bonk can rise, why can't Trump and Melania coins recover? Well, unfortunately, not all meme coins follow this path. In fact, most don't. Research by Chainplay shows that 97% of meme coins fail after their initial surge. They crash and they never recover. Take Jenner, the meme coin of Caitlyn Jenner, an American media personality, for instance. It skyrocketed over 18,000% in just 15 days, only to lose all its gains and collapse by over 99% in the following months, never to recover. Or Daddy, the token launched by Andrew Tate in June 2024. It surged over 2,100% in 3 days, but has since fallen more than 80% from its highs. And this is despite many attempts at trying to pump the coin back up. So the question now is, will Trump and Melania coins follow the path of Pepe and Bonk, or will they fade away like Jenner and Daddy? To answer that, we need to look at what sets successful meme coins apart from ones that fail. Pepe and Bonk didn't succeed just because they were memes. They succeeded because they built strong, inclusive communities. Pepe tapped into the cultural phenomenon of Pepe the Frog, while Bonk became Solana's first dog coin, creating a sense of belonging among its holders. Their success wasn't tied to one person. It was driven by a collective movement. While Jenner and Daddy relied almost entirely on the celebrity status of their founders. Caitlyn Jenner and Andrew Tate brought initial hype, but once that failed, the tokens lacked the organic community growth needed to sustain momentum. Without a strong community, these coins crashed and never recovered. So the key difference seems to be community-driven momentum versus celebrity dependency. But where do Trump and Melania coins fit into this? At first glance, they might seem like typical celebrity coins. After all, they're backed by the president and the First Lady of the United States. But they're not just any celebrities. Trump's role in shaping crypto policies gives them a unique edge, and his global recognition ensures constant media attention, at least for the next 4 years. With nearly 100 million followers on X alone, Trump's reach is 10 times larger than Andrew Tate's and 30 times larger than Caitlyn Jenner's. And this reach is already reflected in the adoption of these tokens. In just 2 weeks, Trump has already amassed 711,000 holders, while Melania has 303,000. Compare that to Jenner, which has only 1,400 holders after 8 months, or Daddy, which sits at 71,000 holders. Why does this matter? Token holders and community are the backbone of any crypto project. A larger holder base signals widespread trust, adoption, and potential for growth. This is key for long-term success. On the other hand, fewer holders can limit a token's traction. Trump and Melania's holder count suggests these coins might not just be riding on their celebrity status, but also tapping into a rapidly growing community. If this community strength continues to build, they could follow in the footsteps of Pepe or Bonk, with a major run-up in the future. Dogecoin is another great example of this. Launched as a joke in 2013, then Elon Musk endorsed it in 2019. Then in 2021, the Dallas Mavericks accepted Dogecoin as a payment method, giving it exposure to a brand new community. So can Trump and Melania coins gather this kind of momentum? Melania Trump has hinted at using the Melania token for philanthropic purposes, which could drive exposure to it and fuel momentum. And if Trump's team leverages Trump as a tool for political engagement, it could even add a layer of utility that sets the tokens apart. Private wealth management firm Bernstein have announced the Trump team could use Trump coin as collateral to build something useful in crypto banking and finance, or build an engagement model to reward supporters and holders. Or it could use it as a treasury asset to fund more Trump-related political initiatives, indicating the token's potential for future growth. But community growth alone isn't enough. Like most meme coins, their performance is closely tied to the broader crypto market, and that means Bitcoin. When we compare the price charts of Trump coin to Bitcoins, we see they move together. In fact, the correlation coefficient between Trump coin and Bitcoin has stayed between 0.5 and 1 since their launch. This is a measure of how closely two assets move together. And here we have a strong positive correlation, meaning when Bitcoin goes up, Trump coin tends to go up too. And when Bitcoin falls, Trump coin falls. This isn't surprising. Meme coins are often seen as high-risk, high-reward bets within the crypto market, and their performance are heavily influenced by Bitcoin. After all, Bitcoin is the gateway asset for most investors entering crypto. When Bitcoin is on a bull run, money flows into the market, and meme coins like Trump and Melania benefit. When Bitcoin struggles, meme coins are often the first to feel the pain. So this means that Bitcoin needs to continue its bull run for these newly launched meme coins to have a chance of performing well over the next couple of months. Now, where do analysts see Trump coin's price going from here? Well, the forecasts are all over the map. Coin Codex sees an average price of $133.19 in 2025, and they're even calling for a potential all-time high of $234.64 in February. That would be a potential run of over 750%. Coinpedia, on the other hand, is slightly more conservative. They project a $67 average price for Trump coin in 2025. With a high of $100 and a low of $35. And if we look at longer-term predictions, Coin Edition forecasts an average price of $550 for 2040, with an $800 high and a $400 low. But before you start envisioning Lambos, remember that these projections are highly speculative. Meme coin prices can turn on a dime, and any number of factors could make or break these forecasts. So while the possibility of seeing Trump coin hit triple or even quadruple digit prices is on the table, there's no guarantee it'll play out that way. Yes, history shows some meme coins rebounding dramatically after initial crashes, but it also shows many that never recovered at all. At Capital.com, we'll continue to provide updates on these market developments. You can trade Trump and Melania coins on the Capital.com platform. Thank you for watching.